Pros. 1. Spacious 43L capacity. Perfect for storing all your valuable belongings. 2. Features an electronic keypad for secure, hassle-free access. 3. Made with durable materials, providing long-lasting protection. 4. Includes adjustable shelves for easy organization. 5. Compact design. Ideal for home use. Cons. 1. Does not come with batteries, so you'll need to purchase them separately. 2. Keypad may be a bit sensitive, requiring careful input. Overall verdict. The Amazon Basics Digital Safe is a reliable and convenient option for safeguarding your valuables at home. With its ample storage space, secure electronic keypad, and durable construction, this safe offers peace of mind and organizational convenience. Just keep in mind the need for batteries and the sensitivity of the keypad. Click the link in the description to buy the product.